she's the plumber. Amazing. She's a woman that is going to install the tap. We have to do the labour. We have to dig the holes for the tap to come from the other property to the school. But as we speak, the contract's being signed and paid for the work to be done. Follow us for the updates of the work. Thank you, Agnes. Thank you, Julius. Thank you, all our supporters.
Yes, this is plumber Agnes. She's connecting water for Door of Hope. This is where we are going to have our joint. Finally, Door of Hope has got water, and this is the tap. Our plumber has finally finished. There we are collecting water. We are so grateful, very, very grateful. So this one is within our premises, just next to the school. Thank God for all what you've done for us. Yes, we are so grateful. So grateful. Here you can see what is running. Wow. Thanks. With great pressure. Thank you so much. Thank you. We are so delighted for this water today. Amen.